Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus ST line. With only 2,778 miles on the clock, this white estate has a powerful 1-litre petrol engine and manual transmission. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more, this car ensures a comfortable and safe ride every time. With security features like anti-collision system and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the added styling features like roof rails and spoiler make this car stand out from the crowd. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information today.